Hello, this is Mr. Noisy, and I am about to read The Vacuum Cleaner Salesman from Up and Down. Here we go. Down on the spooky side of town, Mr. Noisy is about to find out what's out at Miss Scary's mansion. Boing, boing. You rang, Mr. Noisy. Hello, Mr. Bounce. Is Miss Scary home? I'd be going door to door with an incredible offer. Yes, but she's unfortunately busy upstairs feeding her bats. Well, perhaps she could come down, and then they must be washed and hung to dry. Of course, but who is it down there? 1 minute, boing, boing, up we go, boing, well, who is it? Well, what does he want? Down we go, boing, boing, what did you want? I am going door to door selling. You are. 1 moment. Boy, up the stairs, please. Why would I want a door? This place is loaded with doors. Tell him no thanks. Yeah, that is me. You coming all angry in this book. Yeah, that's because she keeps talking upstairs. Here, okay. Down we go. Boing, boing. Thank you, but she doesn't need a door. No, I am going door to door selling this vacuum. Vacuum, yes. Got it. Boing, boing, what a day I'm having. Up the stairs. What'd he say? What? Is he saying that my house is dirty? Tell him to go vacuum his own house. Yeah, that is me. That's me getting a good, bright idea. Down we go. Boing, boing, boing. She says, I don't want to vacuum her house. I want to sell her a vacuum. And what's more, she doesn't have to come downstairs because Mr. Noisy, super noisy vacuum cleaner can be heard in every part of the house. Hey, you're scaring my bats. What's all the racket down there? That, Miss Scary, was Mr. Noisy, super noisy vacuum cleaner. The noisiest vacuum cleaner you can buy. I am here to sell you this fine product. Well, why didn't anybody say so? I always come downstairs for salesmen. Ah! I always come downstairs to scare salesmen. It's your fault.